Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration RT02DUB. Volkswagen Caddy 2.0 SDI-PD van. It has done 146,000 miles with full service history. It is a factory-fitted crew cab and comes with 2 keys. Alloys, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, full leather seats, tailgate. This Caddy has the reliable 2.0-liter PD engine that everyone knows and loves. It's a brilliant vehicle as a factory-fitted crew van with 5 seats and really looks the part with the aftermarket alloys. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing. Herefordshire HR74TF, delivery available, 205 5-star reviews. Search us.